Kem ekele mono. You're welcome to Kids Igbo Academy, where we learn Igbo in a fun, interesting, and engaging manner, suitable for children and beginners. In this series, we're learning Igbo proverbs because we understand that proverbs are so meaningful when we use them in conversations. They make our conversations much more meaningful and important. Now, the proverb we're learning today is Otu aka hawani. I'll say it again. Otu aka hawani kona tukwasiya dia. What that means is that you should do things to the extent of your ability. So you use this proverb when you're trying to encourage someone to begin at their level. Maybe someone is trying to wait for perfect conditions before they start something. You can tell them it's okay to begin at the level where they are and take baby steps. So you say to them, otu aka hawani. Do the ones that you're able to do and do it to the best of your ability. Do you understand? If this is something that you love, we have other engaging content on this channel, and I want you to sit with those videos and learn new skills that will help you sharpen your Igbo speaking ability. We offer classes to children, one-on-one classes to children. If this is something that interests you, or you want to have classes for yourself as an adult or your spouse, then all you need to do is send an email to the email displayed on your screen right now, and we will share the next steps with you. Ahambo, Princess Enyinna-Okoro, Agama Hoge Mbozo. Kadi.